So you're turning 2. I mean, it's amazing, it's incredible. Though the last 1 year has not been what anybody would have imagined it to be, but the blessing in disguise is that we are getting more time with you. The fun of watching you do new things every day, whether it is just scaring the lizards off, like clapping or saying no like this, it's just incredible. And we love you so much. Whenever you're doing something new, something fun, it's just wonderful and a great feeling to see you grow up so fast and so quickly.
Hi Amy. So second birthday. This year you are not here. You are cuter. You are faster. You are turning out to be an intelligent one. And still blubbering, but okay, we'll live with it. We'll give you some more time. That's okay. And here we are, wishing you on your second birthday. Not me, but a lot of people are there to wish you, because the year was not what we wanted, and this time we are collating a lot of people's wishes, wishing you, loving you, caring about you, giving you good wishes. So here we go.
You're back again. We wanted to be the first one, of course, because we love you.
We love you.
We love you,
We love
of
you,
course,
yeah.
we love you.
But
Jokes apart, the first wishes would come from your loving grandparents who just adore you. So let's see what they have to say about you.
yeah.
हमारी बिटिया बेबी अमायरा मिगलानी का जन्मदिन है। इसके जन्म के बाद विगत 2 वर्षों में हमारी जीवन शैली में परिवर्तन आया है व आनंदमय हो गया है। इस अवसर पे मैं श्री खुराना परिवार का आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने बेटी की परवरिश में अपना पूरा सहयोग दिया है। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि परिवार के सभी सदस्यों व शुभकामनाएं अपनी बच्चों पर बनाए रखें और आशीर्वाद दें। आभार।
आज हमारी निकू का बर्थडे है। हैप्पी बर्थडे निकू। कैसे शुक्रिया करूं उसका इस दिन के लिए जिसने तुम्हें धरती पर भेजा। हमारे लिए इस जन्मदिन पर कुछ और नहीं दे सकते, बस मेरी यही दुआ है तेरी लंबी उम्र के लिए। हमारी दुआएं हर पल तुम्हारे साथ हैं। जीवन के सफ़र में तुम्हारा हर ख्वाब पूरा हो इस खास दिन, बस यही दुआ है मेरी। चांद से प्यारी चांदनी, चांदनी से भी प्यारी रात, रात से प्यारी जिंदगी और जिंदगी से प्यारे आप। हैप्पी बर्थडे निकू।
2 साल की हो गई है, पर उसके लिए हैप्पी बर्थडे। पर ये जैसे जैसे बड़ी हो रही है, इसकी शैतानियाँ बढ़ती जा रही हैं। पहले नाना जी को जय जय किया करती थी, अब वो भी बंद कर दिया है। आशा है कि भविष्य में ये सुधर जाएगी।
हेलो बेटा अमायरा, आपको आपके जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। नानी मामा लव्स यू अ लॉट। अमायरा, आपके लिए हमने एक छोटी सी कविता लिखी है 4 लाइनों की। ये जो हमारी अमायरा है, हमें अपनी जान से भी प्यारी है। पाकर सभी का स्नेह प्यार और लाड, तभी तो ये सबकी न्यारी है। मेरा जीवन सवारा तेरे आगमन ने, मेरे आंगन की तू फुलवारी है। ये जो अमायरा है हमारी है, वो हमें अपनी जान से भी प्यारी है।
Next comes the wishes from the families that love you the most.
Your younger grandparents, a special note, Mama ji, I am calling you younger grandparents, okay? And your so loving Bua and Chachu and Mama and Mami and your Masi and your loving Bhaiya, Manan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Amayra. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amira. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. God bless you, bacha. Mama, mommy loves you a lot.
Manan loves you a lot. We miss
We
you.
miss you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Amira.
God bless you with long and happy life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amira. Happy birthday to you.
God bless you, baby girl. Love you. May God bless you, baby. Love you all.
So, next set of people who have spoiled you in the past, who are spoiling you in the present, and are definitely going to spoil you. We've already got it from them. Let's have a look.
Hi Amira, this is Bua. This is Badi Bua, as you will call me when you grow old. 2 साल पहले एक छोटी सी गुड़िया हमारे घर आई थी और हम सभी की लाइफ में बहुत सारा ढेर सारा प्यार लेके आई थी. वो गुड़िया थोड़ी बड़ी होती जा रही है और थोड़ी शैतान भी होती जा रही है. आई नो अभी तुम बहुत छोटी हो, तुम्हें ये सब शायद समझ नहीं आएगा, बट आई एम श्योर हम सब के इमोशंस और फीलिंग्स तुम बहुत अच्छे से समझ सकती हो. जब तुम बहुत छोटी सी भी थी ना, तब भी तुम समझती थी हम सबको, हम सब क्या बोल रहे हैं ये भी तुम्हें पता चल जाता था. और तुम्हें पता है, तुम मेरी वॉच से मुझे पहचानती थी. तुम्हें पता था ये बड़ी बुआ की वॉच है और ये वॉच पहनी हुई है, इसका मतलब ये बड़ी बुआ है. और जब तुम बड़ी होगी तब तुम ये वीडियो देखोगी, तब तुम शायद ये बात समझ पाओगी कि हम सब तुमसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. निक्कू, तुम 2 साल की होने वाली हो, कल तुम्हारा हैप्पी बर्थडे है. इस टाइम में बहुत एक्चुअली एडवेंचरस टाइम चल रहा है हम सबकी लाइफ्स में और आपका बर्थडे भी है. हम सब जो सोच रहे थे इस साल आपके साथ सेलिब्रेट करने का, वो शायद पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा, बट आई प्रॉमिस यू नेक्स्ट ईयर जब तुम 3 साल की हो जाओगी तब हम वो सारे बर्थडेज अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. लास्ट 2 जो मैंने आपके बर्थडेज मिस किए हैं वो मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर आपके साथ सेलिब्रेट करूँगी. आई लव यू निक्कू, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर. बाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hello Niku, wish you a very happy 2nd birthday. I know this video wouldn't mean much to you right now, but years later when you watch it, I want you to know how much happiness you've brought into our lives. The joy around you is incredible. I feel that I've willed you into existence, not to take credit away from your parents, but you're exactly the way I wanted my niece to be. The way you smile, the way you look at us, you're just such a happy, cute baby. And you're growing up so fast. I'm happy about it, I'm kind of sad about it, but whatever it is, I love you so very much, and I'm always going to be at your side, whatever you need, whatever you want. Okay, I love you, Betu.
Happy 2nd birthday, Amira. I can't believe you are turning 2. You are growing up so incredibly fast. I wish I could be there to celebrate with you today, but I hope that you know that I'm sending you a lot of love and so many hugs and kisses from afar. And I promise that I'm going to come visit in a couple of months so that we can make up for lost time and eat a ton of cake and play so many games. Hope you enjoy your day and get to celebrate it with everyone. I love you so much and I'll see you soon.
Hi Amy, happy birthday. I know तुमने मुझे नहीं देखा है, but that is going to change after this whole time. जब तुम बड़ी हो जाओगी, you're definitely going to recognize me and you are going to love me because I definitely love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. And मुझे पता है तुम्हारे mom dad are going to make this birthday also amazing for you, so you don't need to worry. You're going to enjoy it.
Coming up, the wishes from your uncles and aunts.
Watch out, they love you so much.
हेलो अम्मी बेटा, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday, Annie.
मैं तुम्हारा पिल्ला मामा, ये तुम्हारी बिल्ली मामी. Wish you many happy returns of the day, and this one is for you.
Happy birthday. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, beta.
Love you.
Hi Amy, this is Yamasi. Today is your birthday, so happy birthday. Many many happy returns of the day and lots of love. और मस्ती करो, खूब मजा करो.
Happy birthday, Amy.
Happy birthday, Amy.
Hello, Niku.
Happy birthday.
May God bless you.
Amy, wish you a very happy birthday and keep teasing your dad.
Happy birthday, baby. I wish you lots of success and endless happiness in your life. Just keep smiling.
Hi Amy, wish you a very happy birthday from your Punjabi mama.
Hi Amira, happy birthday. We'll meet you very soon. And तब तक अपने मम्मी पापा को खूब परेशान करना. Stay healthy and keep smiling. Bye.
Hi Amy, happy birthday bacha. Have a nice day. God bless you.
Hey Amy, Didi wishes you a very happy birthday. God bless.
And this special wish is coming from someone with whom you spend most of your time with. Check it out.
And all families, congratulations मेरी तरफ से एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे अमायरा. आप हमेशा लाइफ में खुश रहना. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू अमायरा. बाय.
Finally, it's time for your generation now. Your friends.
Hi Niku, many many returns of the day. Do you know we both missed that those days when we came and played together with you? Due to online classes and COVID-19, we are not able to come and play with you. Now, me and Devansh will sing a poem for you. Pika, 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 boo. Look at you have just turned blue. Run around and find a place to hide. Play inside or play, have fun outside. Kick and present with your parents. The joy and joy never ends. Laugh and learn in your special way. Have a very happy second birthday. Bye, Niku.
Hi. Hi, Myra. This is your cute friend of you. This is your Aditya Chacha and I'm Vrinda Chachi. So here's wishing you
a very happy birthday.
many happy returns of the day, dear. May God bless you. Keep smiling. Make your parents proud always. Be happy always. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy second birthday, Myra. God bless you. Keep smiling.
Hello Amy, happy birthday बेटा. चलो दीदी को हैप्पी बर्थडे करो. हैप्पी बर्थडे दीदी. हैप्पी बर्थडे. God bless you Amy.
Me. Happy birthday. Me.
Oh my God, so many wishes. You're so lucky, my dear. You are such lovely family. So many loved ones, friends, family who are sending out their wishes, their love through the messages that I just showed you.
And a big thanks to all the people who have wished you. They are not in the video, but yes, there are a lot of people who have wished you. So a big thank you to all of them from Amy's side. And Amy, a very happy birthday to you. Second birthday.
All of us, from your parents, from everybody, have a blast, and we'll make sure that every year is a special one.
Yes.
We love
you. Happy birthday.